So it's not that only was he helping cure thousands of so-called incurable people, this lifestyle brought about a vision to him of what could be in the future. And there's no timeline on it. You'll notice there's no, I think that this is going to happen and this is, no, there's an opportunity. There is a potential if humans make a move, make a transition, turn and go a different direction. Now that we have new information about the foundation of human illness and as well as human suffering, we now have an opportunity to do something different and to get different result. Mucus-forming foods, pus-forming foods, in other words, foods that are unnatural to humans that humans were never supposed to eat in the first place. This does appear to be at the foundation, even if you think that the issue is based on some emotional traumas. Where'd those come from? Well, I guarantee pus and mucus is down at the foundation of that somewhere. Whatever issues you're talking about, your rapes and your murders and the greed and desire for power over other people and all of these different things, the maladies of humanity, at the foundation you can and will always find some pus and mucus eating at that foundation. I've studied so many different things about people talking about changing the world. And there's so many things that, the thing about that is you get excited, whatever the thing is that you get into. And it's like, yeah, this is going to change the world. And you get excited and all this kind of stuff. And it generally ends in calamity. So even if a government is overturned and they install some other government, that government ends up being corrupt and things fall apart and then it's rinse and repeat. But the drama of being involved in that in the time is like, oh yeah, we're changing the world, we're doing this kind of stuff. But I never hear anybody really talk about transition and the importance of transitioning humanity so that it's not all at once. It's not a big nuclear bomb or some kind of armed combat and we're gonna overthrow. It's like, no, this is next level transitioning to the point where the sick and those that are unable to stay here are not going to last. People always want to talk about we're going green and then for the environment and fossil fuels, and there's all these political axioms that people throw around. I would love to just, as they're one of these politicians, to just to walk up, grab the microphone and be like, you can't go green while you sucking on a chicken wing. Peace. And just give them the bike and just walk away because it's ridiculous. It's all a big show. It's a big dog and pony show, a big play. They're acting the noble lie. We're gonna sweeten people in their ignorance, but it's all a big. It's the shadows on the cave wall. It doesn't mean anything. But this is how you change the world.